Have you noticed that some apps on your Android phone aren't working properly or you're missing out on new features? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to update your apps in just a few simple steps. To begin, unlock your Android phone and launch the Google Play Store. Before updating, it's a good idea to connect to a Wi-Fi network, especially if you're updating several apps at once. When the Play Store opens, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with several options related to your Google account and installed apps. From that menu, select Manage Apps and Device. This page shows your device status, storage information, and whether any app updates are available. If updates are ready, you'll see a message that says Updates Available. Tap See Details to open the complete list of apps that can be updated. Now you have two choices. If you only want to update one app, find it in the list and tap Update beside its name. This is useful if you're only waiting for a specific app to receive new features or bug fixes. If you'd like every app to stay up to date, simply tap Update All. Your phone will automatically download and install the latest versions of all available apps. The time required depends on your internet connection and the size of the updates. Once the updates finish, your apps will be more secure, perform better, and include the newest improvements released by the developers. Updating apps regularly is an easy way to keep your Android phone running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.